I just felt like filming this fucking train. Oh, look at that fucking train. Fucking chew. There the train goes. That's not... Why has it done that? I don't know. Minecraft's weird. Goodbye, train. Goodbye. You were glitched the wrong fucking way round. What is life? Just going. Goodbye. Good fucking bye. Could follow it. Might as well keep going now. I've wasted enough time as is. Yeah, you're in for the long haul now. This is a fucking adventure we're having together. Wow, look at it go. This is fucking embarrassing. 1 second. If it's gonna go that way, it might as well go that way properly. Let's fucking find this. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna have to just 1 second. I'll be a second. I'll be a goddamn second. You wait. You wait. Just wait. Yeah. I'm in it now. It's going. Ain't that amazing? Wasn't that worth waiting for? Aren't I beautiful? Aren't I just fucking beautiful? Yep. This is gonna drag on. It's just gonna drag on. And up ahead, you will see a giant pixel art statue I did. Yeah, that was a lot of effort for what it is. Hello. This is probably going to run out of fuel in the middle of nowhere, and that's going to be really awkward. But before that happens, we're just going to enjoy the ride. Turn around again and steer. Oh, it's back. This isn't a very well made game. It really isn't. I mean, yeah, you can't really blame all of these things' problems because they're from a big modification. They're not part of the vanilla game. But you know, the base. I feel as if the base game was better, everything else would just work better as well. Will it make it up? It seems like it's running out of steam. Literally. Oh. You see that? That was close right there. Yeah, it's definitely run out of steam. Let's check on it. It needs fuel. Ooh, it's out of fuel and it's cooling down, which ain't great. Let's put some in. This thing takes up so much goddamn fuel. Wow, if you've stayed around this long, congratulations. You've got a lot of patience. Did I say it's the fastest speed? Let's see if I say it's the fastest goddamn speed. Yep, I said it's the fastest goddamn speed. You're probably wondering when this is... No, yep, there's going to be a thing at the bottom saying when this ends. Maybe you'll just be watching to be like, okay, when, like, what happens? Does anything happen here? Why was this uploaded? Sometimes, you know, you don't get a good answer to these sort of questions. You just have to deal with that. Because there isn't going to be anything of worth here. I'm just telling you, you're wasting your fucking time. Nothing will happen. There is no point. You could have made something of your life, you know. Just thought I'd tell you that. Just thought I'd let you know. On the bright side, this is a really lovely choo-choo train. I've got to say. If you look over here, there is a giant tree in the distance. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? I hate how it keeps going back to first-person view. Whoever's fault that is, whichever person thought that'd be a good idea for a feature. Eat shit. Seems to be stuttering a bit. I don't think I have anything extra fuel-wise. Let's have a little look. Let's have a look in the backpack. See if I have anything that I could fuel it with. No, I don't. No, I don't. Don't have anything. Let's see when it runs out. Let's see when it runs out. Keep in mind that I stuffed what is essentially several gigantic trees into the fucking thing. I hope it makes it back. It's not gonna, but I hope it does. Yeah, it's slowing down. Don't backpack, go away. Yeah, I ain't great. In fact, it might be... Yep, it stopped. It has fucking stopped. I hate my life.